Ethan, I can smell something.
Yes, so we have found food, which... Focus.
Sorry.
So we have found food, so I'm going to let you do the interview while I go for food.
Am I? Oh, that's not fair. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm very well. Would you care to introduce yourself?
I'm Staff Sergeant Craggs from 72 Engineer Regiment based in Gateshead.
You don't fit that on a checkbook, do you? So, what are you doing here at the Airshow?
Predominantly we're down here trying to recruit, as you know the TA is increasing in size. So we've set up a field kitchen here that you can see behind us. We've also got stands down there with some engineering equipment on and explosive devices that you find out in operational tours.
So basically you're encouraging people to come and join the TA by cooking bacon?
Well, this is just demonstrating the field kitchen in use. But predominantly, yeah, that's what we're here for, to try and entice people to join the Territorial Army.
Do you think something like the International Airshow is a really useful tool in that then?
Yeah, not just the Airshow, but there's other events that happen through the course of the year. We recruit all year round. We have regimental and squadron recruiting teams that go around the area, hand out leaflets, giving information out to anybody who's interested. The Airshow has over the years been quite fruitful in getting people to enlist into the Territorial Army, as well as other events similar to this.
There you go. So, if you follow the smell of bacon, you will find bacon, but you can also join the TA. What more could you want? Ethan, put it down. Mine's well done, please.
And she misses. And she continues. Go on, Karen. Oh, so close. And one more. Go for it. Too close.
Total England shot.
So,
Proper England shot,
Miss
that one.
Kivington, what does it feel like to be dropped from the squad?
Well, better than most of the players that played for us this summer.
And taking your cut, you're going to have to take a 50%.
I want severance
cut.
pay, yeah. Total
Okay,
severance pay.
Well, hit the showers, babe, and we'll talk to you in a bit.
Obviously, I've just spotted the climbing wall. Now, last time we did presenting job together,
Yes.
the climbing wall got the better of both of us.
Which is why I would like to re-challenge you to the climbing wall. I think
not
it's
doing
only
it.
fair that we do the climbing wall.
It's all right. Anybody who knows me will know that I'm never beaten, right? I don't do it.
Okay.
On this occasion, I give in.
No, we'll do it again.
We've almost come to a halt. A little comfy at the top there. And of course something that the helicopter alone can do. We'll stop. You're away to return exit. Now that was a steep part, wasn't it?
So ladies and gentlemen, as they land here, I want you to put your hands together for the Royal Air Force Sultans. The first to land is Sergeant Neil Flanagan from Burnley in Lancashire. Second is Sergeant James Bruce from Portsmouth in Hampshire. Sergeant Mark Clayton from Norwich in Norfolk. Sergeant John Parkhurst in Gainsborough in Lincolnshire. Corporal Carl Harris from Sutton in Ashfield in Nottinghamshire. Sergeant Gabriel Boyd from Sheringham in Norfolk. Corporal Rob Priestley.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my name is Scally, I'm here from the Royal Navy, Fit for Life team. On my right we have got Ramsey, we have got Larry who's in the Navy, he's a Royal Marine older and Ramsey. And on my left we have got Corin, and on my right Ethan. These are from Spark Magazine, FM, TV, and what we're doing is today we're going to do a cooking presentation. We're going to get these guys to do a bit of cooking, and hopefully, if they don't mess it all up, we'll give it all away for you, the general public, to eat. Okay? Not working. There you go. Okay, get stirring that. So we're going to add some of that now. And now you're going to gently stir that in. Okay, get that nice and hot. We'll do the same with yours. Gently stir it, okay?
So much in the pan. Okay, so there you go. This is living proof. I can cook, but what I need is a marine.